All right, everybody, what am I looking at today? Well, I'm going to go straight to the market in the big boy of all markets, SPX. But before I do me a favor, like, subscribe to our channel here so we can keep the lights on and keep all of this for you for free into perpetuity. What am I talking about with the market? Well, as you know, volatility is expanding and expanding in a big way. And the way I like to look at volatility on a daily basis is /VX futures. Let's take a look at those. /VX futures, you can see them here up $1.73, a big percentage change of almost 7% today, up near the highs of volatility numbers that we haven't seen in quite some time. What does that mean? That means something like SPX, which is where these volatility futures are priced off of, is in the stratosphere, meaning option pricing on both sides, calls and puts, are getting bid no matter what happens. That means when the market goes lower, calls don't move as much to the downside because volatility is bid. As market goes lower, those puts get expanded. They expand exponentially more than their deltas. So I'm going to take advantage of this big boy product, 10 times the size of what most of you are used to trading if you're trading regular equities. Remember, SPY is 1/10 the size of SPX, SPX being 10 times bigger. What am I going to look to do here? Well, I'm going to put on a trade that gets us, is actually profitable back near the lows of August, September of 2025, only in the next 9 days, and I'm only going to use about $1,000 in buying power. How am I going to do that? I'm going to these April 17 options with 9 days only to them, meaning that this is a 9-day trade. This is not forever. Trying to take advantage of this market moving a lot lower this morning. 63.10 is the first put I'm going to buy. Now remember, I said I was going to be a little bit bullish here, and I'm buying a put. My first thing I'm doing is buying a put. That must mean I'm doing a put broken wing butterfly. I've done these longer dated. Now I'm doing it shorter dated with 9 days to go. I'm buying the 63.10 put. It has about a 20 delta to it. That means the probability of touch is 45%. So even though this seems like it's far away, and even though it seems like we haven't been down here since September, the implied volatility, which is 2 times what it used to be in the 9-day options, is 45%. So this is not like it's a guaranteed trade. There's almost a 45% chance touch of weight, the option that I'm long. That to me sounds good. So I'm going to go down to the 62.90 put, and I'm going to sell 2 of those. So I'm buying 1, selling 2. Look at the buying power, $63,000, even in a margin account. Way too much for most people's account, even my account. I don't want to put that much money to work, even though you are getting a huge credit of $3,200 and you do have a huge max profit of $5,200. I'm going to go down and define my risk. Now, 62.90 to 63.10 is $20 wide. Now, normally I would go $40 wide to buy my option below, but I'm going to go less than that. I'm going to go to the 62.60 put. I know it's a complex trade. Hang with me here for a moment. I'm $30 wide here, so I am synthetically short where this red line is. I'm synthetically short approximately the 62.70, 62.60 put spread. I'm short that put spread. I got filled right here I'm short this whole package at $1.10, but that's where my risk is. It's under 62.70. Now look at something here. I'm using just about $1,000 in buying power, $900 in buying power. Remember, I got filled at $1.10. Let me lock that in there for a quick second. I got filled at $1.10. That means I have about $900 in risk. Look at my max profit. It's 2 times or more my risk at $2,100. Now remember, this is a cash settled product. There's no stock after expiration. There's nothing that I have to do here if it goes against me. My max loss is defined. My max profit is defined. If we close anywhere around 62.90, which there is a 42% chance of a touch, that we close down there is going to be less than that. But you know what? I get a $2,000 profit. If I don't do anything and the market goes higher or it stays above this 63.10 number, I make myself $110 on $1,000 worth of risk. Let's just be friends. 10% over the next 9 days with an 82% probability of success. To me, That is an income style trade. All right, everybody, you can do this and a lot more on Tasty Trade. So please open, move, transfer, bring your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy.